So I'm just now leaving the bank, going to my car. Many people has asked me, yo, Keder, is this stuff really rock? Guys, you must understand. I'm gonna go to my car here, guys. Understand that if this stuff wasn't working, I wouldn't be doing it for that many years, 4 or 5 years, guys. I'm gonna show you here real quick. As you guys could see, the money I got from the bank. This is money made online, $10,000. As you can see, this is real. I just got it from the bank, Bank of America. This is not prop money. This is real stuff, guys. All this money is made online. And here's another check, guys. This is a cashier's check for, you guys can see, for $50,000. This is to Keder Cormier. All right, for $50,000, guys, all made online. Now, if you're interested, what I want you to do is 3 things. I want you to like this video. I want you to share it. I want you to comment more info down below. I'm only looking for people who are serious, who's ready to take their game, their lives to the next level, and who's ready to make it happen this year, guys. What I do is that I train you. This stuff is possible for you. One of my mentors told me one time, you know, if you take your pocket and you invest it in your head, soon enough, your head will be investing in your pocket. In order for you to make this stuff happen, you need to have the right knowledge. Thank God that I find the right mentors and I follow through in what they do. So this year doesn't have to be like last year. If you understand how to create income for yourself using nothing but the internet, the income I'm showing you is done utilizing nothing from the internet. My friend said, Keder, get a job. I said, heck no, I'm gonna figure this stuff out. And that's what I did. And I want you to do the same thing if you want a better life for yourself. I want to show you and teach you exactly how to do it. Now, if you have a phone, a smartphone, I hope it's not a dumb phone. If you have a smartphone, because it's going to enable you to create income. If you have a smartphone or you have a computer, I can show you how to do this stuff. So if you're ready to take it to the next level, I'm only looking for people who's not going to make any excuses, who's ready to make a change in their lives, and you qualified for those. I want you to do 3 things. I want you to like this video, I want you to share this video, and I want you to comment more info on this video. This is how we're gonna make it happen, you know, because a lot of people think that it is so hard to get to the top, but the craziness is that you need to have a blueprint. Once you have a blueprint and you're willing to take action without making any excuses, like in the beginning, sometimes it's gonna take a lot of effort from your side to make it happen, but once you have it rolling, guys, you can create amazing income for your life, you know, in a very short amount of time compared to what it would take you out there. Okay, building a business online, we are in the new year where new things are happening. Guys, building a business online is the best thing that ever happens to me and my family. And I want the same thing for you. I'm a regular guy. I remember when I first started online, it was crazy. I was living in a crazy 2-bedroom apartment. I couldn't even afford to pay my rent for $500. But I took action. I saw a video and I believed that, hey, you know what? If this guy can do it, I'm not any different, you know? You're not any different. If this girl can do it, she's not any better than me. I'm not any different. They just know something that I don't know. And I was willing to find out. And I lay down my ego and I say, hey, you know what? I want some more information. I want to get that stuff for me. I want to get it for my family. I don't care what it's going to take. I don't believe that I'm worth just $10 an hour, which is what I was making at my job. I believe I should be able to make more, like 50 G's, like, you know, bands like this, you know, $50,000 in a check, $50,000 in a check, and $10,000 or even more. How much that I want to make. So is that possible unto you? But anyway, guys, wanted to make this quick video. Just wanted to reach out my hands to you and say, hey, you know what? If you want to make it happen this year, it's your turn. I'm already winning. I'm going to keep winning. You guys follow me on Facebook, YouTube. You see my stuff all the time. I already know how to do this stuff, and I want to teach you how to do it. So if you're not playing around, you want to make this stuff happen, like this video, comment this video, more info, and share this video, and let's make it happen. That was your boy, Keder. I'll see you guys later. Let's go. Let's go.